Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add day of week to dates and TradingView charts. This quick tweak makes your x-axis labels far more informative by showing the weekday alongside the date, which is especially helpful for spotting patterns around Mondays, Fridays, or specific sessions. For example, if you notice that your product sales spike every Friday afternoon or dip every Monday morning, having the weekday visible makes these trends immediately obvious, so you can plan promotions or inventory more strategically. Let's walk through it together in a clear, simple way. Start by right-clicking anywhere on your chart area and choose Settings. Aim for a blank portion of the chart so you don't trigger a drawing or indicator menu by accident. A little tip: if your chart is cluttered with lines, indicators, or drawings, zooming out or clearing temporary overlays can make this step easier and prevent confusion. When the settings window opens, you'll see several tabs on the left. This is where TradingView keeps all the controls for how your chart looks and behaves, from colors to scales to trading tools. We'll only need one of those tabs today, but it's useful to know this area exists because it's where you can customize almost every visual and functional aspect of your charts for clearer analysis. Next, select the Scales and Lines tab. Depending on your version or theme, it may appear as Scales and Lines, or something very close to that. This section controls the look and content of your chart's axes, including what appears on the timescale along the bottom. It's the right place to manage labels, spacing, and how much detail is shown without crowding your chart. For instance, if you're running multiple campaigns and tracking daily sales patterns, adjusting these settings ensures your chart stays readable while showing all the key information you need. Within this tab, find the timescale section. Look for the option labeled Day of Week on Labels. It's a simple checkbox. Turn it on. What this does is add the weekday, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, beside the date on your x-axis. It's a small change with a big impact. You'll be able to anchor your analysis to specific days instantly, which is great when reviewing recurring behavior around economic releases, weekly opens, or end-of-week moves. For Shopify store owners, this can translate to spotting trends like peak customer activity on certain days or planning flash sales strategically. Now click OK to apply the change and close the window. Take a look at the bottom of your chart. You should see the day of the week appearing next to the dates. If you're on a very compressed view or a super short time frame with limited space, the platform may selectively hide some labels to keep things readable. Try zooming slightly or panning if you want to see more labels appear. This is also a handy reminder that sometimes less is more. If your chart looks too crowded, you can always adjust the time frame or spacing to keep the data digestible. And remember, this setting is part of your chart layout, so it will typically be saved automatically. That's all there is to it. Right-click the chart and open Settings, head to Scales and Lines, enable Day of Week on Labels in the Timescale section, and click OK. This simple tweak not only improves clarity, but also helps you connect your trading or sales activity to real-world patterns, making your analysis smarter and more actionable. If you ever want to turn it off, just revisit the same checkbox and uncheck it. With weekdays visible, you'll gain quick context at a glance, helping you make cleaner, faster decisions as you analyze your charts. Over time, this small addition can save you minutes each day and make spotting trends far easier, especially when comparing week-to-week performance for your store or strategy.